Measuring psychological safety. How can we do this? In this video, you are going to learn and apply a short survey to see the level of psychological safety in your team. This short survey is taken directly from the book The Fearless Organization, written by Amy Edmondson. Please get ready, take a pen and paper to answer these questions of the survey. I'm going to tell you 7 statements one by one, and I request you to evaluate each and every statement either as strongly disagree, neutral, agree, or strongly agree. And when you evaluate these statements, in total there are 7 of them, please think of your team that you currently work at. In case you are the only person in the team, you can think of another team with which you collaborate. Let's start. Please remember to evaluate each and every statement either as strongly disagree, neutral, agree, or strongly agree. First statement. If you make a mistake on this team, it is often held against you. Please evaluate this statement. Second statement. Members of this team are not able to bring up problems and tough issues. Please evaluate this statement as well, thinking of your own team. Let's start. Third statement. People on this team sometimes reject others for being different. Again, please rate this, evaluate this, considering your team. Thanks for doing this exercise. Fourth statement. It is not safe to take a risk on this team. Please evaluate this as well, from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Fifth statement. It is difficult to ask other members of this team for help. It is difficult to ask other members of this team for help. Please evaluate this. Now we go to statement number 6. Members of this team would deliberately act in a way that undermines my efforts. Please evaluate this statement. Again, either from strongly disagree, neutral, agree, or strongly agree. Members of this team would deliberately act in a way that undermines my efforts. And the last statement. Working with members of this team, my unique skills and talents are not valued and utilized. Now that you have evaluated these 7 statements, your next challenge is to see your areas of strengths. Where do you think the strengths of your team lie? And secondly, where do you think are the areas of improvement? On which statements do you think your team can improve? And lastly, what is one specific action that you can take to improve psychological safety in your team? So strengths, areas of improvement, and one specific action that you can take to improve psychological safety. Take a moment to write this down. It's crucial for us to measure psychological safety. This way we can see to what extent we have psychological safety in our team and find ways to improve it.